Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm trying to give you an update after my first video, like 4 days ago. Uh, I'm gonna show the recent trades I've taken since the update and then what I'm looking at. So I've taken a few trades. Uh, like during the last update, we were around here, price was around here. I took the short from 38.5 on Binance. It hit 38.5, a bit, a little bit above 38.5 on Binance, and then I closed the short around here. Like I'm gonna tell you the thought process inside why I closed the short and all. So first of all, let me tell you that this is not financial advice, and this is purely educational, and this is demo trading, and not with real money. Okay, gonna share the trades I took. So first of all, I took this short at 38.5 and then closed it at 37.6, to be precise. I closed it at 37.6. And my thought process behind it was then I went into a long around here. I'll close it back here, and now I'm at a short again. I'll update that on the strategy tester. Okay, let me hide this, and let's go back into the thought process. So my thought process was, we were as I showed on my last update that we were at resistance. We were around the 3-4. We were at and higher time frame value very high. So then I shorted the liquidity grab of these candle highs. Basically, we didn't have much volume at the top, which I will show using attach. And then I was looking at this 4-hour imbalance, 4-hour FEG right here. So this was my target, like somewhere below this low. That being my target, 37.7, around 37.7. So since like at that time we had this imbalance, and then when price reached those imbalance areas, like I was very cautious, because clearly if you have imbalances like this, which means like the order flow is bullish, and the algos are looking for higher, and we didn't have any bearish imbalances. So that kind of gave me the signal that price was trying to make another high, but I was short from the very top, so my risk was like very managed, and my stop loss was like right about the wick. So I was looking at a possible long, and then at the imbalance, like right after a liquidity grab, I saw like there was a shift in market structure, so I closed the short and then went long. uh, I took those trades on the strategy tester as well, so I could show everyone. Let me try and connect the strategy tester. Okay. Yeah. So let's go. So this was like some time ago in August. Like I have used this. I didn't see that, or else I could have resetted the account and started all over. But then I took this on the first today. So I closed the short and then flipped long at I believe the price was 38,611, 37,611 to be precise. And then I went long with 2 Bitcoin, and then I closed one at 38.3, and then the rest at 38.66. So that was like 1,700 in profits on the demo account. I was at like 10K balance. I wanted to do this like within 10K, because many people could relate to a 10k balance. So that's why I selected 10k. And then now I'm at a short from 38.7. Okay, that's basically like see 3 wood coin. I'm gonna remove the paper trading account, so it's more visible. Okay, so we don't need this now. So one might ask why I shorted this and now why I shorted them. I am not a swing trader. I am more of a day trader or a scalp trader. Like I got to say like what I'm good at. How I shorted them was like purely from the TPOs, which I can show you. Let me switch into the TPO charts. Okay. Okay. So this is attached, and this is the TPO chart. Okay. You could see these green lines. Those are single prints. Like one of the single prints was the reason I went long at 37.6 as well. I could show you that too, but this is from single prints from last year, May. So like 1.5 years ago. And you could see the respect the single prints get. Like the first single print gets filled and gets a reaction. The second single print gets filled and gets a reaction. Now we just filled the third single print. So to me, like they are valid like day trading setups or like scalp setups. You could get stopped out and like it could happen, but to me like it's an valid setup. So that's why I've taken a short from the single prints. So if anyone's referring to like the next single print would be at 39.3, and then you have them at 41.2, 41k and 41.2. So like one could ask like what is a single print. So this is how I went long. So we just filled a single print from like 36.5, I believe, 37.5, sorry, 37.5. So I went long at 37.6, I believe, like after an initial bounce, and like this was PD low at that time, previous day low, and then we went about previous day low and back tested previous day low, and that was like your trigger to go long. Yeah, so that's basically what has happened on the TPO charts. So TPO charts, I don't know if like many use TPO charts, but this is like an insanely powerful tool. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the charts on TradingView. Let me switch the back to TradingView. Yeah, so one more thing I was looking at was like this pattern, which is like very simple. Like you could see something like this, something like this. This is like a rising wedge. I usually it's a bearish pattern, but you can't deny that these rising wedges can do this. Like it could go above the wedge and consolidate for a bit and then go back down. Your target would be like this low here, but this is only the rising wedge is only applicable once it breaks this down, this trend line. So we have not broken it yet, so right now it's not applicable. But personally I kind of use this trend line and the single print that I showed you on TPO as an entry trigger to get in on that short. uh, but yeah, basically that. So I hope everyone's like, today I have not gone for an higher time frame outlook because I did that last time. So today I have gone with the more local approach on Bitcoin. And yeah, so yeah, that's it. I might get stopped out on this. I have like my stop loss at 39.2, so I have a bit of room, but I might get stopped out. Doesn't matter. but for now I'm short. Yeah. uh, so basically, since I started the channel, I've code like all the pivots. I shorted this to here and then long this to 38.6, and now I'm short from 38.7 so let's see. Let's see. Hoping to catch you guys again with a sprint. I'm gonna keep this short, and cheers. Good luck, and hoping you are having a good day. Going to catch you guys again another time. I am gonna update more frequently on Twitter. So if you guys are interested, I leave my Twitter link in the description below, and would appreciate if you guys give it a like, a comment, and a subscribe so I can grow the channel. Thank you. Cheers.